Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the new outfit in Heartopia, sports set with bows in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia just added some really cool new outfit like this, and it's available in different colors like this. There are a pink one, yellow, and then blue like this. And honestly, it's so cute. It has a bows on it. And now there are two main ways to get them. First, you can just check the Dorothy store over here. This Dorothy store like this. And then, but keep in mind, this shop is completely random and reset every day. So if you don't see the outfit you want, just keep checking daily and just be patient. And for the second options, you can just get it from ordering at the order machines like this. But first you need to reach level 35 to unlock this feature, this order machines. And once you have hit that level, you can directly order the outfit that you want, which makes things way easier. And okay, that's it for this quick guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!